Hello friends, today we are going to learn about a new application known as ThinkLink. Just you type in Google ThinkLink. This window appear before you. You can log in from this. You can explore ThinkLink. Just I am click on ThinkLink link. This window appear before you. You can log in. If you are not logging, click on start new. I also log in. I'm clicking on that. Then login. This is the ThinkLink window. It is your work. If you create your work, I want to create my work. Just I click on create. Then upload image. I click on that. I have some images. I select this map for ThinkLink project. I open this. Okay, it's appear in your platform. You can add tag. This tag move anywhere in your images. Just I select this area. You can add text and media. Click on it. Give the title. I give title Rajasthan and I give description. Culture of Rajasthan, and I give some information about the Rajasthan. I take some information from Wikipedia or Google. Just I go to Google. I find out some information about Rajasthan. Just I click on URL. Then copy, Ctrl C, open the ThinkLink window, then you paste. You can find out this URL in your project. Click on that. You find out some information about Rajasthan, folk dance of Rajasthan. I close this. You can add some text. You can add some images in this project. Just click on the plus sign. I want to add this picture in my project. Click on it, then open. This image open in my project. There is a Rajasthan, culture of Rajasthan, folk dance. You can upload audio also. have some make mistake, you can delete tag also. Done. You can add another tag also. Go to the tag. I put this tag on Gujarat state. I want to add some URL, add content from website also. I want to add another tag. Just I click on that, it's appear on your image, and I put it on Gujarat. Now I want to add some dance form. Just I click on the embed code. This is embed code. I take embed code from YouTube. Just I go to YouTube and then select one folk dance from the Gujarat. I select this folk dance. Just I click on the share, then embed code. It is embed code. Just copy it. It is highlighted, means it is copy, and return to ThinkLink project. Then click embed code or your URL. Just I copy, then paste. You can find out this window appear in your ThinkLink project. Now I close it, then done. You can find out your images. There is two hotspots. One is the Rajasthan, second one is the Gujarat. When you click on this tag, you find out some information from Rajasthan. When you click on the folk dance, you find out the information about the folk dance from the Rajasthan. Just close this window. If you want to edit this image, just go to the edit section, click on that, add the tag, you shift it in Maharashtra, go to the add content, embed code, go to the YouTube, then copy of embed code, return to ThinkLink, and just paste your embed code. Your video appear on the project. When we click on that, you can find the image in this window. Now we take another tag on Patna, add some text. I give to title Patna, information about Patna. I find out information about Patna in Google. Patna culture. just copy from this text. Paste in. Text description. There is one reader. You can use for this reader also. Click on that. Now play.
Information about Patna culture of Patna. Patna is set apart with a culture which has incessantly evolved in the past 2,500 years of its existence. It has been a part of the evolution.
Okay, it is the best option. Now done. Now I have closed this project. Just click on done. It is your project. When you click on this icon, you find out the culture of Maharashtra and folk dance of Maharashtra. You just click on this icon. When you click on this icon, you find out the dance culture of Gujarat. When you find out this Jaipur tag, you click on that. You find out the culture of Rajasthan in the form of image only, and some text is there. Click on the text folk dance. You find out the information about the folk dance of the Rajasthan. Close it. When you click on the Patna, this icon, you find out some information about the Patna. You go to this icon, it is reader. You click on that and play it.
Information about Patna culture of Patna. Patna is set apart with a culture which has incessantly
Go back and close it. Means you give the information with the help of one image. You give lot of information in one image. This image you use for the geography, history and other subject also. You can share this image to other. Just click on share. There is a many option. There is a 5 option. This image embed in another website also. You can share link to another social media. You can publish. There are a lot of social media, including this Google Classroom, Facebook, Twitter. You can share with email ID. Means you can publish this image with the social media. You can download offline, but you want to upgrade this account. It is not facility in free account. That's why it is not download, but you can download. You can donate this image to other websites also. Just we share this link in our project, in our assignment. Just you want to click here and copy link. When it is highlight, means your link is copy, then copy and this link paste in your assignment. I just close. There is option, you can see the setting, more option is there. You can create clone, you can also delete. Now today we learn about the ThinkLink project, how to interact image with other information. It is very useful for the student. You give the one project to other students, you can share this project in group and they can edit this image as per their requirement and you can assist. It is very good website.